So we're going to take a look at the flex of a ski, and I'm with Andy from Blizzard. Hi Andy, how are you?
Hi there, Rob. Yeah, very good, thank you.
Great. So tell us a little bit about the flex and what that means.
So every ski has a different flex depending on the type of ski that you're looking for. So if you're looking for like a race type ski or piste performance, you're going to find that the flex is generally going to be quite a bit stiffer. And then if you're going to more all mountain or free ride, then it's going to be definitely softer in the tip and tail, makes it slightly easier in the softer conditions for the ski to turn. So.
Okay, and how is that flex then? How does that, the composition of the ski and the core of the ski, how does that affect the flex?
So, I mean, again, it depends on the type of ski, but obviously all of the Blizzard skis have got a wood core, made up of like poplar and beech wood cores. Okay. And then if you're going like more piste or mountain, then our men's skis have got like 2 layers of titanal, which makes the ski quite a bit stiffer.
Yeah. Certainly
more powerful underfoot. And then if you're going to be doing a bit more kind of backcountry free ride, you want it to be a bit softer. Then we start using carbon and stuff in the ski. It allows the ski to flex easier, and it's just easier to get on with, and obviously lighter weight as well. So it's all, depending on the type of ski that you're looking for, what you're going to be doing mostly, and then trying to find the right ski for that to suit that purpose.
And sometimes, can I just grab that ski?
Yeah,
sometimes, you see people flexing the ski like that.
Yeah.
I mean, can you really can you tell by doing that how stiff that ski is compared to another one?
You could, and if I show you, if you take a different ski, if you do the same with that one,
so I'm going to flex this one. So this is a piste ski,
this
and
is
that's
a piste ski.
So I'm flex. Oh yeah, I mean I can feel straight away that's really
so
stiff compared to that. I can flex that one really easily.
Exactly.
So that means that stiffer ski is basically going to be kind of like more powerful.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely. So if you put pressure towards the tail of that ski, it's going to kick you into the next turn. Whereas this is going to be much easier then to just float into the next turn. So it's just,
So the different flex basically suits the conditions and the type of skiing that you want to do. And a stiffer ski, generally, I guess, better skiers are skiing on a stiffer ski.
Generally, yeah.
But on a free ride ski, you might have really good skiers skiing free ride skis, but they're softer.
Absolutely, yeah. Because they're spending more time either in the softer conditions and skiing the whole mountain rather than purely on piste. So.
All right, great. Thanks, Andy.
No worries, pleasure.